Wow! Kali have a gift from Mommy and Dada. Are you happy? Opo. Ang galing nga. Are you happy? Ang marunong sumagot ng opo yung anak ko.
Si ate, marunong sumagot.
Very good yung baby ng mommy.
Wow!
Are you happy? Do you love mommy? Do you love mommy? Say opo. Very good. Wow! I have a gift for Kali because she's a good girl. Do not remove, anak. Okay, you will play, ha? Now, open this one. Open. Wow, what is one? Star. And this is a butterfly. Parang mag-enjoy din yung mommy. Parang mag-enjoy din yung mommy ni Kali. Hello. Mag-play tayo, anak. This one is the castle. Wow. Wait lang. I'm gonna puna sure face muna. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Bye muna mga guys. Tingnan natin reaction ni Kali pag nilagay ko na yung sand.
Wow!
Si Ate Lia palihati. Ano ko? Look! This is a purple sand. Para po maiwasan ang pag-gadgets ng bata. Tayo ay mag-play. Wow! Are you happy, baby? You say, Opo. Ang Ate Lia is happy too. Look. Okay, anak, you put sand here, oh. Ganito, anak, oh. Wow, like that. Wow. Be careful, para hindi para hindi matapan, anak. Be careful ka. Okay? Are you happy? Opo. Ayan. Hello, guys. Ayan po, busy na yung baby ko mag-play. It's a sand. Wow. Kali, are you happy? Baby, are you happy? You play now. It's a sand, oh. I do not put in your mouth, okay?